In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currencies in Odoo. If you need to work with multiple currencies in your Odoo database, the process is very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click. This is especially useful if your business deals with international customers, suppliers, or transactions in different monetary units. Odoo gives you the option to either activate currencies that already exist by default, or create a completely new one if needed. To begin, go ahead and open the Accounting app. This is where currency-related settings are managed, so once you're inside, you'll have access to the configuration options needed for this setup. If you don't immediately see the option you're looking for, just take a moment to make sure you're in the correct module, because these settings are specifically tied to accounting. Once you're in the Accounting app, look toward the top left toolbar and click on Configuration. This area contains a variety of accounting setup options, including taxes, fiscal settings, and of course, currencies. After opening Configuration, select Currencies. This will take you to the list of currencies available in your Odoo system. At this point, you have two ways to proceed depending on what you need. If you want to add a completely new currency, click New. That will let you create a fresh currency record in your database. Make sure to review the details carefully when creating it so everything matches your business requirements. If the currency you need is already included among Odoo's default currencies, then you don't need to create a new one from scratch. Instead, simply find that currency in the list and click Active to enable it in your database. This is a quick and convenient option since many common currencies are already available by default and just need to be activated before use. After you either create the new currency or activate an existing one, the setup is essentially complete. Your currency will now be available in your Odoo environment for relevant accounting and transaction processes. And there you go. That's all it takes to add currencies in Odoo. It's a short process, but an important one if you want your system ready for multi-currency operations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.